Hey everyone, this is Rupa working as an assistant professor in Bokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now I will discuss about classification of data mining systems. In previous videos, you already know that what is meant by data mining and what are the functionalities of data mining. Actually, data mining means finding of a useful knowledge from the large amount of data. The data mining system, it is an interdisciplinary field. That means anywhere in any field we can use the data mining techniques. In any application areas in any field we can apply the data mining techniques. It will include the other in databases, statistics, machine learning, visualization, information science. It may also include the techniques from the other disciplines such as fuzzy logic, neural networks, rough set theory, high performance computing also. We may also integrate these data mining techniques from say, spatial data analysis, information retrieval systems, pattern recognition, image processing, signal processing, computer graphics, web technology, economics, business, bioinformatics, and even we can use in psychology also. That means in any field we can apply the data mining techniques, not only in a database, not only in a statistics and machine learning. We may apply in a neural networks, we can apply in image processing, we can apply in signal processing, and we can apply in bioinformatics also. We can just let us observe this pictorial representation of classification of data mining system. Data mining system can be used, I said that it is used in database technology, statistics, machine learning, information science, visualization, and other disciplines like signal processing, image processing, neural networks like that. Now we'll see, because of the all the disciplinary diversity of disciplines, data mining research is expected to generate the large varieties of data mining systems. Okay, because of these varieties of disciplines, more number of data mining systems has to be generated. Here we have a necessity to clear the classification of data mining systems, which may help for the some of the users, which will distinguish between these which systems has to be identified as suit for the corresponding needs of the customers, needs of the users, right? Because of these disciplines, we need to give some clear classification of the data mining systems that will best suits for the user requirements. The data mining systems can be categorized according to the various criteria based on the classification according to the kind of databases to be mined, kind of knowledge to be mined, kind of techniques to be utilized, and kind of application has to be adopted. Now we will see in detail about the all the classifications. First we can go for the classification of data mining system according to the databases to be mined. Data mining system can be classified according to the databases to be mined based on some different criteria such as data model. Based on data model, these has to be defined in a way as a relational databases, transactional databases, object-oriented database, object relational database. And other criteria will be the types of data. Based on types of data, it can be classified as a spatial and time series data, text data, multimedia data, heterogeneous data, and World Wide Web, and some legacy data also. These are all the classification of data based on the databases has to be mined. And the next category is a classification of data mining system categorized according to the knowledge to be mined. It is based on the data mining functionalities. I think you know that what are the data mining functionalities. The data mining functionalities are data characterization, discrimination, association, correlation, classification, prediction, regression, cluster analysis, outlier analysis. Moreover, these data mining technique systems distinguish based on the granularities or the levels of abstraction. And some techniques we have to use in a primitive level, and some we have to go for using as a multiple levels of abstraction. Data mining systems can also be categorized that mine data regularities. Based on the data regularities or the patterns, we can divide. The data regularities comes under the functionalities as a characterization, discrimination, association, classification, clustering, and data irregularities comes under one of the functionality as a outlier analysis. Obviously, by using this outlier analysis, we need to go for detect the outliers. Outliers means noise are the exceptions found in the data. Alright. Then next we can go for the classification of data mining system according to the techniques has to be utilized. These techniques can be described according to the degree of user interaction. Based on the degree of user interaction, these techniques has to be classified as a autonomous systems, interactive systems, and query-driven systems. And one more criteria is based on the methods of data analysis has to be employed. These are comes under the database oriented, data warehouse like OLAP operations, machine learning techniques, statistics, visualization, and one more is a neural network. These type of things has to be classified according to the techniques has to be used. Okay, we can use the techniques based on the requirement of the data, based on the requirement of the user. Okay, whichever the techniques has to be suited for your data, we need to go for using of those techniques. And next one is a classification of data mining system according to the applications has to be adopted. The classification of data mining system can also be categorized according to the applications they adopt. For example, data mining system may be specifically for finance, telecommunication, retail, banking industry, fraud analysis, DNA mining, stock market analysis, web mining, weblog analysis. In all the applications, we can go for using as a data mining system. Different applications often require the integration of application specific methods, and some of the applications has to be used only for application specific, and some they can go for a generic purpose. But all type of data mining system will not suit for the domain specific mining task. Okay, some of the things has to be used only for the application specific. In within those application, we need to go for using as a so and so method has to be so and so, a technique has to be used in so and so application. But some techniques or some methods of the data mining has to be used in any of the application areas. This is about the applications has to be adopted. That means finally, within the classification of data mining system has to be categorized in a way as a based on databases. We can classify data mining system. Based on the knowledge, we need to classify database system. Based on the techniques, we can classify data mining system. And the last one is based on applications also, we need to define the data mining system. Thank you.